Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una again for inside that Tory house. This afternoon, we go take una, we go for that side, so we they call am say Kumba, as will be top for now. Fire be burn for some house for inside the Bonge Road. And as we army rescue people, they go lost fire. We hear say boy them with a gun, they attack some of these army rescue people them, with some of them they dey for on top of hospital bed just for sicker cut where they get them for bullet. We go talk that palava for this afternoon. Now so too we go take una, we talk palava business where they happen for Central Post Office. Now for Yawende, where big man from Fundi SDO, it don't give sote number 18 day inside this moon for other business people them for come out, for go for the new place where they don't make am for them for Mokolo. But the business people then too, they deny, say no one place no day for Mokolo where they don't keep am for them. So just now, another big fight, so the expect for see for Yawende from number 18 day for inside this moon. Now so too, we go take una, we look inside this Wakaway Oga DO for Douala 3. They calling am Vogo IC, it be make am for place where they call am same Banga Pongo, even from Dokpasi side. It turn for meet up population as where they be just put it for on top chair. All the one them plus palava for inside we own country as we honorable them. They go shidon for inside parliament extraordinary one. We go start tomorrow. We go turn back for talk that palava for this afternoon. The Guardian Post, the Post Weekender, Herald Tribune, and even which other one we will get them for with the form Newswatch. Now the newspaper them that case for people then too they don't lose. We go bring them big part up for this afternoon. It tell we say foul, e no the sleep. Now for sika say e don't belly full. But now for sika say night, e meet up e. I say foul, e no the sleep. For sika say e belly, e full up. But now for sika say dark, e meet up e for road. Now why that way e the ever sleep. Prince Ndoki Mukete for Kumba. Now he send we big part up for this afternoon. At the turn back, small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Inside Tory for this afternoon, we go start with this palava for fire, where it surprise people them for inside Bonge Road for Kumba. Now yesterday this SF for night, where the fire SF it be start for cash for them. Sabi say we ever live for talk Tory from start and we finish as where the thing be get for end. We'll enter one time for chapter 1 for this fire for inside Kumba way as we are talk for now. Now palava for fire wey e catch for inside some Calabo house for that side, so for Kumba. Army rescue people then says they be answer present immediately as when they call them say me they can lose the fire as soon as Sabi Calabod and fire no be nothing will fit for talk, and the fire says it burn all the Calabo house. They no come out even with one thing. This one now on Wednesday night where this fire start for cash for afternoon or for late for evening as soon as Sabi from 5 downwards where this fire cash, and as when they call this army rescue people then come quick. But as we Tory enter for inside we hear so now they never fit for Sabi the true cause for this fire, and we hear say around 60 family them or 60 people them as we Tory enter we hear they don't already lost house. They no Sabi place again where they go fit for sleep for sika this palava for fire where is surprising. But population says it be glad plenty with army rescue people then says where they become quick immediately as we they call them say me they can lose the fire. Sabi say as we army rescue people them they come out say me they go for go carry water. That's where they turn back. Now for this as we Tory enter we here where some boy them they attack boy them with a gun. They attack army rescue people them where they become for can lost fire for that side, so from Bonge Road. It be then for night that other side for popcorn will be halam. We no be fit for pickam. Sabi say when gun a consign all man it go enter na for inside Sosongo. But the population glad plenty for sika say immediately as we they call them they be answer present. After the fire wey catch for night, we be turned back for this early morning time for inside Kumba for see as wey that fire e be Chakara place for inside Mbonge road wey na for day wey this fire sesep e be catch as well na the see am na daytime this will turn back for them for inside this fire sesep wey e catch for inside the Mbonge road, and e dey show say plenty of the people there they be the shidon for inside that house. Some of them they dey na people there wey dey the dry fish sell am for market, and if you see the big land e dey show say more than 60 people them they dey na one of them mami sesep this wey e cargo them they born for inside that fire wey be catch from Mbonge road yesterday for evening time. This morning time e be dey na time for cry as wey no dey na things wey they use am for dry fish wey we meet up am wey dey show say plenty of them they be na business people them wey dey the dry fish they sell am, and other small thing them just now na the only thing that will be meet up am as will be turned back inside Kumba for Mbonge road sika this palava for fire. Make we hear wetin wey one of the people them that mami ona just see am e talk for we man for Kumba Zaibwe.
The government only help me even now in kind things. I don't know what to have talk tears over there. The government only help me.
You no move nothing.
Nothing, no move.
All timber.
All timber.
And I don't know how many sir.
We don't know.
And as we be talk for now, we be talk say this so boys they be attack these army rescue people there they be go for go lost fire. Some of them they dey for hospital as we talk. Make we enter with the photo for talk on top this other chapter for talk say true. It no be then an easy one as we they attack some of these army rescue people them boy they with the gun as we they go for go lost fire. So bullets it be touch. Plenty of these army rescue people there they no be plenty. We dey hear around that kind of 3, around 5. We never to get the number for the number of them where it dey so bullets it be touch them for sick as say as well they lost fire. Some boy them with the gun they come attack them for that side for Mbonge road as well tori he enter for inside we ear. We go left palava for Kumba. We take una just now go for Central Post Office na for Yawende for people there they sabi. Na 6 o'clock that as well na sabi na place where binet it dey happen in the proper as we tori enter for inside we ear. But just now according to Facebook where it dey so the SDO from Fundi it be put a pen on top. It seems on number 4 day for this month. It don't talk say maybe people there they make binet for before a Central Post Office where they cause the traffic made them come out for them since on number 4 day for December. So we go for day for go meet out with these people that say they may be net for Sabi wait till it really pass them say they tell we say even if SDO if you don't sign book SDO it never show them the new place where they go she done according to book where SDO is signed up for number 13 day for November for 2019 where they for inside it talks say the binet people they get their new place where they don't keep on for them for Mokolo market. But according to president for these people there they make binet for corner roads he don't deny. He talks say big pom say they never get them anything they try for Terry. According to the president say even for that Mokolo no nothing in no day like space where they don't keep on for them. Some of the people there they make the binet they talk say the people there they cause confusion for this road over self na Nangaboko them that boy there they sleep for corner roads say na them they with a knife they do with laser blade they do all kind of thing them where they attack people them. So just now these people they don't stand die. Mami say where they sell banana talk say picking they go school now for sika that banana where they sell them from evening time so take for 11 o'clock for night. So if they can't drive them who side they go just now big trouble go there for sika say SDO from Fundi he don't talk say all the people them where they sell for before post office Central Post Office or Yawende them say they go get so how many days so number 18 day inside this moon will dey if they no come out then another thing it go surely pass. So we the wait as so the people then say they make binet for corner road them too they don't stand die they don't talk say so far as way they no get space for Mokolo market them too they no go come out for this. So small picking war it go surely happen for number 18 day for December. We sabi say Mami Water too it go surely come out for come meet up all these people them who na the see there they don't so continue for make binet for before Central Central Post Office for Yaoundé. We go left a Palava for that Central Post Office. We enter back for inside Douala here before we turn back for Yaoundé. For talk Palava tax, Sabi say some tax they where they give for people them for pay where they occupy government space. Also Sabi they call that tax now the French the name it for French. But just so Sabi say the tax na tax way automatic according to law. If the people there they take the tax they come they no meet up the people them automatic they no be get for lock the people them be in a place also Sabi bet for New Bell Douala these people them for OTV as they call them or OTVP as they day for French but na tax way normal for English na that tax way they so they pay them for sick as say they occupy a public space where you must to pay the tax but they can't lock the bin place them for that side for New Bell it be then a Tuesday where it then a day where they clean keep clean New Bell where bin place they know the open early people they want only come for that bin place they meet up as well they don't block their door them where they say na tax where na for sika say they occupy public place but we sabi according to law they say they no get for lock these people them no matter as well they so far as well na tax way you fit carry the people them go for council then council says it go can last ask them for pay say this one way they make and way they lock people them be in a place inside New Bell na one way people then says they don't cry plenty and they talk say make ngom a try for do something before something he do them. We go turn back for Yaoundé just now for Biamasi where people them for inside around about for Biamasi side they cry big cry top Palava some man where he don't build a house toilet it come out for outside mean say all water for that toilet as soon as see this small water also water and shit it come out now for outside for that side so for Carrefour Biamasi they say council it don't talk plenty time so the time no day now the population inside that quarter just now they suffer for sick as say all place it in num for inside place where they call them say Carrefour Biamasi now for that side so for Yaoundé population where they should done around the place now the house said that way this year where people they pay money before they should done they don't beg the landlord since say make it can fix the house even that road the place where shit in the commode pass the place so they say shit say the commode it float for inside quarter population it don't vex just now and they beg say make council for that side so for Biamasi says not a small quarter inside Yaoundé they beg say make the camp for can try for see as so they hold that landlord before the population or maybe they go surely do the way they do and for that landlord from Banga where they lucky inside house they no want to do that kind of thing so they beg say make landlords it can look at a house where shit it don't the come out just now it the worry people them where you know they at all for inside Biamasi for Sikada dirty way in Siam where it the come out for toilet place where people them they go shit. Douala, we enter for Douala 3 just now for talk Waka with DO, the new DO for Douala 3 or the new DO Imekam for inside Douala 3. They call it Oga Aisi Mvogo. Or before we go for that side, we take una go first for Mongo division. We take una go for Mongo division for talk Palava for Nolako Dena for under Ebone, and we sabi say Nolako Sesep as so the talk Kachumbam make we take una start for the first place water no dey for inside place where they call am say Nolako as so the talk just now and the population says they dey beg they say they dey wait say when time for vote e don reach they dey wait that people there they go can talk for them say they go do them this they go do them this where they never see no nothing even place where they dey make ngando now the place is grass e don full up for them so they like say when bibi ngando says they dey come they no defeat for do am again for them but the problem where the people them get plenty palava for water where you know the day and even road there they don't get for open am where they never fit for open am so one big problem where people them follow Nako they dey wait and they talk say vote in the calm they dey sit down they wait they hear wait where they go can talk for them make we hear now waiting where some passes a talk for microphone for Cyril Njemba.
It's such nation, Lunako. The way you get to technical school, see how road they day, see how people suffer day for inside Lunako. We no day for government they look say na how. See me where they come on for climb baga for them at old age before then the young one they will go tomorrow they could be that house. Make government look how they can suffer away with the suffer. they can look how Lunaco did, and all now hard for Lunaco this. Look, even yourself, even you come out the council, the talking of Lunaco, shame holy. Two technical school would even that picking that I don't some people go for them for even medicine say where the people say but how we be first time they go for school about just more people begin by to give school no day. So government see the way they will try something. I would beg government say may look for side for mayor will not talk for mayor again. Mayor say you know say something not could. If you reach for inside market say who will hold you? She will catch you.
Yes, Pempa for inside Nolako, where they under a bonus site for Mongo division, they decry. Now, Sabi say when they give big person a name for some quarter, normally that quarter two or that place, it get for resemble that kind of person. But the avenue where they leave them or the road, the street where they call them after Shantu, it no even resemble like say Ma Shantu Sesep Sabi say that people they don't give name. Now Avenue Chantal, Madame Chantal Biam, but waiting there for that road. No nothing. Now they wrote that. Now road that way they don't carry big woman in name. They put them on top, but they never quota the road. Road is just they so. And as I be say when Aswe campaign go the come, they go come waka pass so they avenue this avenue that one. But una they put big woman in name so for that place, una no even fit for even respecting a big woman in name. Una put and so then road quota no de. Then una call them big name. Na carry big name here. Then they wrote it just they so people they just the looker. No be so. Anyhow, now till we say we could talk some more. Maybe when we show and so some people they go shake. They go surely go put quota some more for the road. Inside Douala here, Oga new DO for Douala 3. Aisi Mvogo. It don't turn for meter population where they dey under it. Repe comot from Dokpasi. It go for Banga Pongo. All corner. Oga Mayor. Job to fill, it be there for a corner, and even Ketu, they be there for all sides. So he meet up with all the people them, the chief them, the population, and other people them where they then are blockheads, and even school picking themselves where they know we don't sabi the name for their new DO, or they know we don't even sabi the DO face to face. They be get chance for meet up the new DO, Aisi Mvogo, where SSF it don't start for meet up with population. One by one for sabi waiting be their problem and waiting where it dey so he check say his own office he go fit for do am for them. So for all side wey would go, palava for insecurity e no be lack, palava for thieving land e no be lack, palava for water, palava for light, palava for roads. All that one them, they no be lack as well the different chief them. Where Oga DO for Douala 3, he meet up them, and for Sabi them, they put complaint for it. Some area them, they even give dash when a drawing where they don't make them for DO as well he wakam, he enter for inside the quarter. So DO, he be make this waka now just for Sabi a population where they look at them, and even for meet up with the population plus even the chief them, whether na the quarter chief them or na the block chief them, as well get plenty them for inside quarter them for Douala. Now just for talk for them say they get for work with he so that palava no go day and he talk to for them security na things wey he want them say make it happen as we turn for the different quarter them for under Douala 3 where na SSF he be the headman inside this arraignment. And just for Sabi say if una see as we DO he waka he salute he sweet. But how the waka be dey? Una see the waka SSF. Now the true side is now for ye una go sabi say Banga Pongo. Now place where since they be check say they go don't fix the place, but the place it never change. Una see that water no? That water be the wait na DO make DO come. First na council moto and council police. See as we moto go swim inside water. Now your swim wala. Una see say water the reach from moto no? Now for tell we say if you get your small fine motor, you no fit. Even motor say for Ketu, e enter for inside the same motor, inside the same poto water. You understand? So now just one of the first thing this where Oga DO is say chai people them for Banga Pongo they get right for vex. Even the motor go enter. When I see as well that motor for DO2 will enter. If now other one they for Paka, then they work out the foot. They pass, they say that motor no fit enter that water, but DO motor enter after all. if e spoil dem go fix another no see no see side water dey reach the motor so e be dey na big suffer for you even as way for inside e no get no problem even mayor motor sef e swim for inside the water so na problem dem this way dey so do dey show am for you all corner wey motor be the pass water dey road e don chakara so tey time e no dey so na the one big beg this the one big beg wey population for Banga Pongo dey put am for before do no be na even sef say dey even talk am again say for e sef e see as wey the road e dey imagine say do be the go for the time wey rain e don fall wetin for happen e for wowo last e for surely comot inside that motor e no for surely use the motor sef pass you see am but now so e use the motor pass small nayo dey dey pass but the problem for Banga Pongo sabi say Banga Pongo people dey sabi am after wey that aeroplane e fall for day but since that time dem be check say things dey go change but so tey today big quarter dem for inside Banga Pongo wey na e own town on e own inside Douala road dem for quarter e don rot ten wey no dey at all so dey beg na beg o dey beg I say no one place do no waka pass on Banga Pongo wey no meter water all place whole day water turn up all place whole day water turn up so na just some of the true thing that wey una say una get for see say e strong and do sef be see am e confirm e sabi say Jesus na Lord you understand do confirm e waka for inside that water dem e sabi say the people dem for Banga Pongo dey try if they send it back again for them maybe he go deny say no go go there he no go see them again for sake say the condition wey he say waka e be na one way na for lock up so na just a photo that na so people dey Banga Pongo dey suffer when rain no dey water flow for all sides so the do e dey hear bad and it too is use e own crow eye for see say suffer e dey. And as well sabi place like Banga Pongo na place where water e dey too plenty. We be try for tonton for inside the quarter them. We be tonton for inside the quarter them from Banga Pongo. We try for see na place where water turn up for all corner. We people then say they no even need for big toilet. So when they make that there's no place where they just come out, they can shit them, come out go them. So Banga Pongo total na for the place them, na for the kind of place they all na so na sabi aeroplane for na so one my toilet that as we see as so. Enter shit enter for water so e no get time so Banga Pongo normal all the place e just dey quiet okay so as well una sabi for inside this side na just so the whole place e dey for that side people dem say they dey hear bad this one they say na Mboko yes if I no make mistake na Mboko for inside the as well tori enter we here so that one na just for tell una say people dem dey Douala as so una see am e no mean no nothing see as well people dey big house dey the one block water say make water no enter but sabi say when e wan wowo water e go so waka enter so Douala e big but trouble e dey danger e dey for all corner e be wowo for that waka and our eye to no be fit for misa make una see am. Yes, na just so the worker for DO for Douala 3 be there for inside the area where the look at them. Just now, as soon as Sabi extraordinary ndongamen, it go happen for inside that place where they call am say Yawinde for Parliament tomorrow. Now the first book that will be come out, we plenty people the second book where it come out after the first book. It be get small mistake where it be show say daylight say, but after where it be worker for social media for that place where you see red pen they will put am or red ink. It show we say na 13 November after we worker for social media plenty. Number 2 book it enter for inside game where it be na the correct one with the correct November the put December for inside. So the Ndonga men for honor them, he go come tomorrow as we Tori enter for we EM. This Ndonga men, he go come tomorrow and plenty in them. The day we don't hear say they get for talk for this Ndonga men for honor them with the year palava for special status. Congo side where they enter we hear the talk palava special status where they go talk and other small thing them. So we stay wait as we the thing in the past. Last one we just enter for we hand just now. We go take una go for Tombell. For Tombell, Ketu them office na lock mop. Yes, inside Tombell. Na Tombell town this. People the way they sabi Tombell. Una sabi say truly. Now people then this way they look out people then for Tombell. But their office, Ketu office for Tombell, na shame. More leave the thing say Tombell town in the sweet. Yes, na sweet town. All kind of thing they day. Una see office for Ketu. Na their offices. Office on Chakada we no dey. Una see. Na police their office that for Tombell. Zinc it don't come out. All thing na motor that they begin for use am. Motor don't hold. E park na only for before office. Motor no dey for them for even do their work. You understand? So even work thing themselves for Ketu. Sometimes them na for sikadi palava wey dey happen waiting dem happen. But see office for Tombell. Ketu them office. See as we dey. Still in a disgrace. OH e don cash all things so te time no dey. Na dey Ketu them office said that. Na for dey dey manage. When rain fall, e dey enter. When sun is shine, e enter. See outside. This side, e don chakara so they don't even forget. But no we stand. Now for so day where they work. E no fine. E no fine. Same uniform people they she done for the kind of office. And the thing wey we work for them na say even as well the office they so for night na different thing. They no get light. I say this place so for night. If you see am too for night, you go laugh. Trouble dey. So we the beg na beg. The big people the way they dey, elite them. May una try for see as una go change Ketu them office for Tombell. No be na the kind of officer way Ketu they get for work. Moto no dey. Office e don chakada. On top that one for night sef na big trouble. So we the beg na beg. Big man for outside. Make it try for look this palava. We go surely wait tomorrow. We go hear wait people then say for Tombell. They talk on top this palava for office for Ketu them where it don't chakara so take time in no day. Newspaper the way they day for we before just now make we hear wait where the guidance post. He get them for talk for him inside the guidance post. They tell we palava for Norwest Southwest extraordinary Ndonga men for honor them na tomorrow and according to the guidance post now for making them correct or for just chakara all thing. They say anglophone them. They don't just open their eye them. They wait hear them. They wait for here till we go pass inside Parliament on Friday. Moderator for PCC says Right Reverend Funky Samuel. He don't talk. Say make peace and people them for make peace and for forget bad thing other one they don't do make it enter back inside Presbyterian Church for we country. Now so too if you read other to read them we consign Cameroon where they don't take number many chair for palava say they be the one of the worst country them where they cash Tory people them lock and put them for inside Ngata as we Tory enter for we ear. Other Trump number them if you read them inside the guidance post we day outside this afternoon. The post weekend that too it tell we palava for Norway and Southwest anglophone people then just now all their ear them don't turn up like antenna their eye they shine. Oh man, it wait for here wait till it go happen for that side. So for Yawende, as when Kunkuma says it don't talk say this so palava for special status they don't put them for before honor them table where they go she don't talk on top that chapter tomorrow for that side. So for Yawende now so to the post weekend that they tell we palava that bill we consign the two country talk them for we country we last they don't so put them for inside law as well the post weekend that talk plus Elekam we don't come on name them for people them where they go turn up for vote for 2020 number 9 day inside number 2 moon 2020. Other to read them you go read them for the post weekend away day outside. We go check too inside another newspaper way day outside this afternoon. Another newspaper way day for we before they call them now waiting make we enter for the other newspaper chum bang and the Herald Tribune. Inside the Herald Tribune, they tell we as we they fear say fight if it happen between Binet people them for that side so for Yawende as wey dey talk say all the way they sell for corner road dem get for comot na tori that will be bring am for na this afternoon. You go read to Palaba Dingana for Sten wey dem don give appoint like director for Douala Seaport Terminal. Other tori you fit read wey accident e carry sote 5 people dem inside one family carry am go na from Gaundal where this accident e happen. Last one we will look for inside this afternoon na Newswatch e tell we say presidency last e correct that bill for the two country talk dem before e put am back for inside honourable dem their table for look inside. You fit also read tori wey concern parliament wey dey get for Shidon extraordinary Shidon tomorrow for Yawende wey e concern this palava for special status. You go read chapter 2 say other tori dem wey e dey so the Newswatch magazine e carry am for we this afternoon. And the Chumbam, before we come out, we get announcement, we get person wey don lost. That one na one of the things that we no fit miss am. Now, they picking that Chi Junior Nde, wey e dey so na e papa, Oga Fru Robinson, e dey announce say this pikin, e don come out for house, and after, wey e get some small quarrel for house with the people them. So, any man, wey sabi, e don see this Chi Junior, family the beg, say me they call 679-432-779, 662-756, 909-651-415-133. Now, so we see tori for this afternoon country people them. Once a big thank you for Severin, where he help for making the happen. Francis Boyom and Malice, all them, they be there with you. For some time, una hold am tight.